Onisha Biggs with another pharmacy tech lesson.
Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs. Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. Happy New Year! Booyah! Booyah, booyah, booyah. And today we're gonna be, Anyway.
Pharmacy math so that you can pass your pharmacy technician exam.
Booyah, 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 booyah! Alright. Done. I'm glad you asked.
To be described, okay? So there are one way would be
Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. Listen, 8,000 subscribers. I want to tell you guys thank you, okay? Not just for the 8,000 subscribers, but thank you for entrusting me with your pharmacy education. We're helping you get jobs. Thank you for entrusting me. For some of you, we'll even give you life advice, okay? I've talked to a bunch of you, and I've actually got to see the opportunity. I've gotten the chance to have the opportunity to see you grow, to see a lot of you get better jobs that are gonna advance your families, to see a lot of you even start your own businesses and not even work in pharmacy anymore. So I just wanna tell you thank you. Literally from the bottom of my heart, I want to express my gratitude to you and say thank you. It's been such a pleasure to be able to serve you. It's been such a pleasure to be able to give you this information and share even my experience and some of my team's experience in this niche of pharmacy and being a pharmacy technician. And also I want to say thank you to the pharmacists, you know, that send your technicians here to the show and here to the channel to be able to learn from me. Like that's really, you don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to entrust me with your staff's education. So I just want to say thank you very much. If you have any questions, or even if Pharmacy Tech Lessons has impacted you, just leave me a comment below. I really would like to hear from you guys. And for future times on the channel, let me know what you want to hear for the rest of this year, okay? But I just want to take my time right now just to say thank you. We're at 8,000 subscribers. We're looking to go a lot higher. We have a lot more things in store for you guys. A lot of big things in store for you in this year coming, okay? So we'll talk soon. And as always, this has been Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. All the best to your success. You have a great day. Bye-bye.